Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying capabilities and choosing the right app. This matters because IR and Bluetooth workflows differ. Once you confirm your phone has an IR blaster or will use Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, install a reputable universal remote app and grant permissions for Bluetooth and local network access. Make sure the target device is on and within 3 to 6 feet if using IR. Then open the app and select the device category so you can begin the automated pairing or code search. You proceed with pairing using the app's automatic scan because it speeds up finding the right code. If that fails, switch to manual code entry. Aim your phone at the device and press the test or power button sequence the app shows. Listen and watch for the device to respond. If the device responds, save that code and assign a clear name so you can identify it later. Once saved, test common functions like volume, input, and power to confirm full control. You finish by customizing the layout. Add favorites and build a macro for common sequences so control is instant. Once done, make sure default buttons behave correctly and reposition the phone while testing to ensure consistent line of sight. If something doesn't work, rerun the code search or try codes from another manufacturer list. Sometimes a compatible brand shares codes. If problems persist, check the phone's IR blaster, replace device batteries, and verify Bluetooth or Wi-Fi permissions. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.